Our initial ADU design was focused on removing the existing backyard utility structure and using that location for the new ADU. After reviewing the 3D modeling, it was apparent that any two-story structure in that location would overpower the existing house as well as occupy prime backyard flat space. With that in mind, the new ADU conceptuals are designed to be tucked into the hillside of the southwest corner. Again, I will mention that I am keeping this presentation visually simple in order to emphasize the general structure shape and organization. I'm showing no textures, materials, or colors. I'll also say that almost any of the prior designs can be adapted for this location. Here I have two pair of different conceptual versions to consider. From the start of our design exploration, a big priority has been to create an outdoor living and entertainment space. We have talked about an outdoor fireplace, integrated seating, and outdoor cooking, and the patio roof having an exposed beam ceiling. In my opinion, the materials and style of any patio ceiling can really set the tone of the experience. I want to start with how the four conceptual designs integrate with the patio, specifically the patio ceiling. The first pair were a mirror image, but with deck locations to the east or to the west. We have achieved a covered patio area by projecting the upper level forward and skirting it with a hip roof. I really like this look from the outside. In 3D and in section, it becomes obvious that this shape of exposed ceiling might be awkward. From a practical structural perspective, it will necessitate a flat ceiling. I have given this a lot of thought, and I am confident we could make it work. These third and fourth conceptual designs are again similar, but differ in roof line and deck location. The first is an upper level shed roof with the deck to the east, and the second is an upper level gable with the deck to the west. This second design concept works well for a number of reasons. This deck location is a bit more private. The overall roof line is subtle and less obtrusive over a backyard we are trying to protect. And it's also conducive to an attractive as well as a relatively cost-effective patio roof. In section, you see the upper and lower levels line up, and our outdoor patio space is under one continuous shed roof. I'm using our double-sided fireplace as an I-beam support on one end. I have a number of ideas for an artistic steel, almost sculptural support at the opposite end. This ceiling design can easily be an uninterrupted exposed beam ceiling of wood, steel, or a combination of both. Now with all these designs, we are splitting the available 600 square feet about equally between levels. The first level has a full kitchen and opens up to the patio with folding glass doors. The second level gets a full bath, a Murphy bed, office furniture as needed, and a deck. So once we finalize the structure and layout, we can really define the look of the building as we explore our options for windows, roofing, and exterior finish materials.